Welcome to another tutorial as we unravel the mysteries of the C++ preprocessor. You know, it's like the wizard behind the curtain, making things happen before your code even compiles. The C++ preprocessor is a phase of the compilation process that occurs before the actual code compilation. Its primary role is to manipulate the source code before it is passed to the compiler. One of the preprocessor's superpowers is including header files using the hashtag include directive. Think of header files as a treasure chest filled with declarations and definitions that you can share across multiple files. Let's move towards an example. In this example, the hashtag include IOStream directive magically inserts the contents of the IOStream header file into your code, right? That's the common way of writing a C++ code. Now, let's talk macros. Macros are like shortcuts that the preprocessor understands. You define them using hashtag define and they save you time and space. Understand this by an example. Here, the max macro makes the code more concise by finding the maximum of two values. The preprocessor replaces max, x, y, with the actual code. It's like having your own coding assistant. Now conditional compilation. This trick lets you include or exclude code based on conditions. Think platform-specific or debugging statements. Consider this example. In this example, the #ifdef and #else directives help us show different messages based on whether the debug-enabled macro is defined. It's like toggling a switch. Alright, time for a final example that combines macros and conditional compilation. It's like a power combo. Let's take an example where we conditionally compile code based on the value of a constant. In this final example, we've got macros defining the platform and version. Then, we use them to conditionally choose what message to display. It's like having adaptable code that suits different situations. Preprocessors enables features like including header files, defining macros, and performing conditional compilation. By understanding and effectively using the preprocessor, you can write more flexible and efficient code. So, next time you write C++ code, remember that there's more to it than meets the eye. The preprocessor is quietly working behind the scenes to enhance your programming experience. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for joining. Please subscribe the channel for more.